guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious apple crisp. But before we get started, I want to thank Walmart Plus for sponsoring this video. Walmart Plus is a membership that gives you free same-day delivery of fresh groceries from your local store. Your membership pays for itself with just 2 deliveries per month. The best part about Walmart Plus is the price on the shelf is the price you pay. No markups like other delivery services, so you get high-quality fresh food at Walmart's everyday low prices. When you order through Walmart Plus, you don't have to worry about getting old or rotten vegetables. Your groceries are picked from your local store right before pickup or delivery, keeping them fresh. Walmart has specially trained shoppers that handpick the freshest items. They shop for you as they will shop for their family. If you've been watching me for a while now, you know I love shopping at Walmart, especially for my meats and vegetables. And that's because Walmart has fresh, high-quality grocery ingredients such as organic vegetables, USDA prime beef, organic chicken, all high-quality products at low prices. My Walmart Plus memberships makes it so easy for me to restock on the items I need, especially now that it's baking season and I'm always in my kitchen baking. Visit the link in the description box so you can start your Walmart Plus membership free trial. Now let's get into baking. Alright guys, so let's get started to making our apple crisp. So here are some of the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. I will leave the exact measurements in the description box. So let's get started. We're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Alright, so we're going to be using 7 apples, so just make sure that you clean them before we do this step. So we're just going to chop them. So of course, if you want into smaller pieces, then just chop them smaller. So I'm just going to slice them like that and then transfer them into a large bowl. Alright, so once we have our apples all nice and sliced, now we're going to squeeze the juice of our lemon. So just mix it. Okay. Ready, and to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Just make sure that it's cold. Okay. And now we're just going to set it to the side. All right, so for our apple mixture, we're going to need half a cup of sugar. So we're going to mix it in a bowl. Half a cup of brown sugar. A 1/4 cup of flour. One teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. A half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. So now just mix it. Okay, so once we have that, now we're going to mix it with our apples. So just sprinkle it with your apples. All right, so with your clean hand, just mix your apples in our sugar mixture. All right, so once our apples are nice and coated with our sugar mixture, now we're going to transfer into our baking dish. Okay, so I'm just going to grease my baking dish with butter. So just make sure you go all around. And now we're going to throw in our apples. Okay, so just make sure that you evenly spread them. Okay. And now we're going to make our topping. All right, so we're just going to move our apples to the side. And now for our topping, we're going to use 1 cup of oats. A cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, so just mix it. And to that we're going to add 8 tablespoons of melted butter. So now just mix it all together. All right, so once we have our topping, now we're going to top it on top of our apples. Okay, so I like to use my hands. So just make sure that you spread it evenly. All right, so now we are ready to bake. All right, so we're going to bake it for about 55 minutes to an hour. So stick it in your oven and let it do its thing. All right, guys, so it's been an hour, and let me tell you that my house smelled delicious. So now we're just going to get our apple crisp out of the oven. So just be careful. And now we're just going to allow it to cool down. All right, guys, so after 20 minutes, now we are ready for the fun part, serving. So of course you can top it with some ice cream and drizzle some caramel syrup, but now we are ready to enjoy our delicious apple crisp. Alrighty, guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. So I just top it with my ice cream and caramel. For me, the ice cream is a must, but let me tell you guys that it is seriously super easy to make, and my whole family enjoy it. So it's just perfect to share with your family on these upcoming holidays. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. The apples are super soft, and then the topping is just crunchy. It's just the best combination ever. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. Alrighty, guys, and there you have it at home. Make a super easy and delicious apple crisp. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, I want to thank Walmart Plus for sponsoring this video. And please don't forget to click the link in the description box so you can start your free trial for your Walmart Plus membership. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.